Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS. In this video, we will be discussing how to write a social justice answer. So let us discuss the question. It is a previous year question and it is a 10-mark question. So you should write in 150 words. The question is, appropriate local community level healthcare intervention is a prerequisite to achieve health for all in India. Explain. The question is, appropriate local community level healthcare intervention is a prerequisite to achieve health for all in India. Explain. So first you should identify the demand of the question. The demand of the question is the importance of local community level healthcare intervention for achieving health for all in India, or how this local community level healthcare intervention help to achieve health for all in India. So the body part should be like this. The importance of local community level healthcare intervention for achieving health for all in India. So it should be the body part, the importance of local community level healthcare intervention for achieving health for all in India. Then you set a framework in your mind. Introduction, body and conclusion. And the introduction part, you can mention the concept of health for all. Concept of or importance of health for all, or you can mention some constitutional provisions like Article 47. Then after writing these in 2 or 3 lines, you can write some challenges, and it is not directly mentioned in your question, so you can draw a diagram like this. Okay, then after mentioning these challenges, you can write like this. In order to address these challenges, the local community level healthcare intervention is needed, and then you can provide a heading like this. Then write some points under this heading, and towards the conclusion part, you can mention some sustainable development goal like SDG 3, or you can conclude in a positive way. Okay, so let us explain in detail. And the introduction part, the concept of health for all, and the concept of health for all means it is the accessible, affordable and timely delivery of healthcare services for all. So this is the concept of health for all, or you can mention the Article 47. This is DPSP, and it is says that it is the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and standard of living and to improve public health. Article 47 says that it is the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. So after mentioning these points, then you can write some challenges like low public expenditure towards this healthcare, and it is only 1.5% of GDP, and it is lower than WHO prescribed limit of 5% of GDP. Then you can mention the points like lack of infrastructure or poor infrastructure and poor doctor patient ratio. Often these medical practitioners are not ready to work in these rural areas, so these are some challenges related to the health for all concept. Okay, then after mentioning these challenges you can write like this: in order to address these challenges, the local community level healthcare intervention is needed, and you can write some points like this. It helps to monitor and create awareness among people, or it helps in emergency response, prevention, then role of ASHA workers, SGs, NGOs, etc. So in order to substantiate these points, you can write some government interventions in order to create awareness among people, the famous Swachh Bharat mission is an example. Then in order to create or in order to achieve this emergency response, we can quote the examples like during the pandemics like Ebola, even during this COVID-19 pandemic, these local community level healthcare intervention play a huge role or play a major role. Then prevention, you can mention some vaccination methods, especially Mission Indradhanush. And some you can quote family planning. Okay. Then role of ASHA workers, SGs, NGOs, etc. because these are work in the grassroots level. So these health services, we can ensure the health services accessible to the vulnerable people, especially the women, children, or tribal or rural people, etc. And you can add some points like it helps to reduce out of pocket expenditure, because these healthcare services are now available or accessible to these poor people and it is free, so it helps to reduce the out of pocket expenditure, and it also helps to reduce the dependence on secondary and tertiary healthcare services. So these are some the importance of local community level healthcare intervention for achieving health for all in India. After mentioning these points, then you can conclude like this, mentioning SDG 3, Sustainable Development Goal 3, or you can conclude it in a another way through this local community level participation. We can ensure primary healthcare, effective primary healthcare services, so it become a prerequisite for achieve health for all in India. So you can conclude it like this: through this local community level healthcare intervention, we can ensure primary healthcare services, and so it becomes a prerequisite for achieving health for all in India. Okay, so let us revise again. In the introduction part, you can write about the concept of health for all India. That means accessible, affordable, timely delivery of healthcare services for all. Or you can mention some constitutional provisions like Article 47. Then you can mention some challenges, and it is not directly mentioned in your question. So you can draw a diagram like this. So it helps to save the space. The challenges including low public expenditure, lack of infrastructure, poor doctor-patient ratio, and in order to address these problems, local community level healthcare intervention is needed. And towards the body part, you can mention some points like it helps to monitor and create awareness among people, and you can quote the examples of government intervention like Swachh Bharat mission and emergency response during, especially during pandemic Ebola and COVID-19, and prevention, the vaccination, especially vaccination mission Indradhanush, family planning. Then role of ASHA workers, SSGs, NGOs, etc. because these are working the grassroots level. So these healthcare services are now accessible to the, we can ensure the healthcare services are accessible to these tribal people, vulnerable sections or rural people. Then it helps to reduce the out of pocket expenditure, and it also helps to reduce the dependence on secondary and tertiary level healthcare services. And you can, and after mentioning these points, you can conclude it in a positive manner, and you can include some sustainable development goal like SDG 3, and you can conclude it in a positive way like this: through this local healthcare intervention, we can ensure primary healthcare services, and so it become a prerequisite to achieve health for all in India. So it is the discussion for this question. So see you in the next video. Thank you.